Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a Clap to Find or Find My Phone app and granting permissions, microphone and camera/flash. Once done, open the app, allow notifications so it can run in background, and choose sensitivity. Make sure to place the phone on a flat surface and keep ambient noise low. This improves detection. Tap the toggle to enable clap detection and flash alerts now. You're doing the first actionable steps. Enable permissions, set sensitivity, and turn the detector on so the phone will respond. Next, configure detection and the flash response. Start by calibrating sensitivity. Test 1, 2, and 3 clap patterns until the app reliably recognizes your chosen trigger. Then choose the response, flash only, sound plus flash, or vibration, because flash intensity and pattern affect visibility in bright rooms. Make sure to exempt the app from battery optimization so it stays active with the screen off. Once configured, run a few real-world tests. Clap from different distances and pockets to confirm consistent behavior under typical conditions. Finish by testing under realistic conditions. Clap from your usual spots, inside pockets and behind cushions, and confirm the flash and sound trigger. If it fails, raise sensitivity or set a multi-clap requirement. Also reduce background noise and ensure microphone access remains granted. If you get false positives, lower sensitivity, require 2 or 3 claps, and move the phone away from running appliances that make transient sounds. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the phone after permission change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.